Spanish soldier in the name of Juan Neron. So, for you to be familiar with the church naman, alam na mention ko na rin naman sa boss number 6 that during the time when we Filipinos are being under by the Spanish regime for almost 333 years, we are mandated to give 100 pieces of eggs. As egg is very important for the constructions of every edifice that you will find in different parts of the country. So, like what it says sa boss 6, yung puti ng itlog is being mixed with a volcanic tuff or yung dinurog na adobe, shells, and it will be mixed by lime or apple. Then after apple, yung mortar or yung extract from sugar cane. So we're gonna mix it together to create a very sticky substance that will serve as a cement. Yung po yung semento ng araw na ginagamit. So if a family failed to deliver the numbers of eggs, the eldest member of the family will be receiving a punishment. It's either 100 lashes ng latigo or any severe punishment that the Spanish regime will give. So for not following the mandate, especially by the church during the construction. So in the country, guys, we have different kinds of architectural design na simbahan. So if you've been to Northern Luzon, yung mga simbahan po doon, they used to call it an earthquake Baroque architectural design church. But most of the churches that you will find in the country are Baroque architectural design. Yung nire-refer na yung earthquake Baroque architectural design, it's because in Northern Luzon, napaka-prone nila sa earthquake. Then, yung foundation ng soil nila is not the same with the foundation of the soil that we have in Central and Southern Luzon. So, they need to separate the bell tower to the church itself. Kaya earthquake Baroque. So, when an earthquake hit the particular area po, hindi madadamage yung simbahan. Since most of the old church that you will find, wala pong siyang bakal. So, what makes the church strong? Matibay. Later on, as we go out, what you will be seeing on both sides of the church are what we call buttresses. Buttresses is yung parang haligin sa gilid ng simbahan. Then we also have magazine poster. So, kinalat yan sa buong mundo. Nang kinalat nila yan, nila Carnegie, para ipakita how what the kasi we are asking help to the other countries to gain their independence. First, the Spaniards, and during that time, American is what? Naging bilang superpower kasi they defeated the Spanish Armada in the country. Sila may mga John Rockefeller, kasama siya sa liberty natin. Saka si Mark Twain, yun. If you're familiar with Mark Twain, siya yung mga sumulat ng Huckleberry Finn, Tom Sawyer, mga Little Princess, Eddie,